is a
สังเกตเลยนะ
barred
เพื่อนๆ
owl. A barred owl. As opposed to the barn owl. Let's see this one laying here.
Is that back here? It's some kind of hall.